Hello, welcome again to May to December Anime Reviews. Today I'd like to talk about an anime series called Air. In this collection it's 12 episodes with 2 OVA specials on 3 DVDs. Yakito is a traveling performer, a starving performer. He has this cute little puppet that he has moving, and it's very entertaining, but he's really struggling, and he keeps having these visions of a girl in the sky, and he's just really drawn. And the mystery unfolds. There's several characters that he meets, including a really cute dog named Potato, who I just fell in love with. But it's very poignant, very sweet. There's a lot of surprise twists to it, and very satisfying, and the way it wraps up in the end is good too. I think you'll really appreciate it. The graphics are exquisite, and it's just beautiful, and lots of the music is really lovely too in it. Thank you.